Ready then. So in standing, just bringing your feet under your knees under your hips, lift up the ribs, shoulders back, arms open, chin tucked in, and just bring the weight even through the front and the back of the feet. Good. And as we begin, I'm just going to take some nice breaths in through the nose. So begin to notice where the movement is coming from. Nice diaphragm breaths, or are we in up through the shoulders? If we are coming in through the shoulders, just see if we can soften down and get focused back on the lower chest and the abdomen. Good. I'm just going to roll the shoulders up and round. Good. One more. Relaxing there. Just a little loosen around the head and the neck, just looking over the shoulder. And the opposite side. Feel confident to, you can just bring the chin down and just move up and across. A little bit of a lift, back round and down. Getting a twist and a stretch. A little bit too much creaking, too much noise, just make the movement a bit smaller. Good. Back into the middle and just bring the shoulders up and round. Nice easy arm lifts, reach up tall. Round to the side and back down. One more, reach up tall, leave the arms in the air. If you can, just hold and stretch to the side. Back through the middle, and across the opposite side. Good. If you're struggling with the arms overhead, you can just take them down. Now, normal fashion, arms at your side, just stretching out the trunk. Good. Once more. And then back into the middle there, just relaxing the arms down. Good stuff. Okay. Now bring the arm up in front of you. You're going to follow the hand round. Hips forward. Just look around as far as you can, stretching the ribs and the shoulder. And then bring it back and down. So again, you decide how far you go. Lift up, follow the hand round, hips stay forward, and back and down. You're just noticing if one side's different to the other. Can I go further to the right than I can to the left? This was a movement that you were worried about at the beginning, so you feel more confident to do this movement now. So there's any fear that still exists. One more on each side. Backing down there again, just nice, Relax, loosening of the shoulders. Okay, into the hips, just start side to side. Yeah, am I nice and relaxed with the movement? Am I holding any tension? Stretching through the hip, through the trunk. Again, from there, just having a look at little half circles to one side, back round, coming forward. Good, this time going behind, around to the side, around in front. So you're going to get a little bit of a bend in the trunk. Good. And awareness, you might get a bit of a click. Good, if you can, go all the way around, nice big full circle. Good, and the opposite way. Back into the middle there, nice. Okay, so moving into the lower limbs, again work for your own abilities. Just letting the knees down, aiming for the chair that isn't there. So each time, as you feel confident, just try and go that little bit deeper. Once you work to your joint ability, don't worry about mine. Good. This time you're going to come down and just hold. And back up. And again, if you can, back into the moves, 10 more. And on that last one, just drop and hold. And out, a little loosen off the legs. Good stuff. And we go through the tiptoes, up and down on the tiptoes. Bring some arms in. Good, arms to the side. This time as you come up onto the tiptoes, stay on the tiptoes. Just rotate that upper body. Back through the middle, opposite side. Through the middle. And relaxing down there. Good stuff. Okay, a little loosen. We're going to do our roll downs. So reaching tall. Nice breath in. In the out breath, you relax the arms, drop the chin, start to stretch through the rib cage, through the lower back, reaching down towards the floor, or again where you feel comfortable to stretch to. And then reverse, build back, and again reach tall. Relax, drop the chin down. Good. When you're ready, move towards the mat, or if you're doing this on your bed at home, your surface that you're practicing on, so you reach tall. And on the out breath, as you relax down, chin is tucked in, rolling down. And take yourself into your kneeling position. And just carrying on, tilt forward, rolling back. Good. Nice big movement of the spine, tilt forward, roll it back. Head and shoulders start to join in, stretching up into flexion, rolling down into extension. Good. Okay, and then as you relax, and if your joints allow, just sink your bottom down. Turn. Holding in that good neutral position, so hand on the shoulders, knees under hips, head in neutral. Pick up through the core muscles of the tummy. And when you're ready, push the leg away, down, opposite, down. Good. And if you want to challenge it a bit more, opposite arm, opposite leg. And turn. Good. 2. And last one. Again, just take pressure off the hands. Sink the bottom down. Nice breaths in through the nose. Slowly out through the mouth. Transition back into kneeling. Come onto your tummy. And put your arms, your decision, up and down at your side. Make your upper body a little bit lighter. So squeeze at the bottom, shoulders, arms lifting, lift up through the trunk, down. Feel okay with that as a movement. Make it a bit harder. Bring your arms up, shoulder height position. And you're lifting the whole of that upper body. Keep the head relatively neutral. Lift your chin too high, you get a bit of Pressure in the neck. Keep the head relaxed. If you're feeling confident with this as a movement, make it a little bit more challenging. Arms extended overhead. Lift that upper body lower. Really important for all those muscles in the back. Muscles that keep us upright when we're walking. Muscles that help us when we're lifting, carrying. Keep all the joints nice and mobile and supported. So we can do lots of different movements. And 3 more. And there. Good. Bring your hands underneath. Back into that kneeling position. Back. Okay, nice, sit down, stretch. Excellent stuff. Okay, so as you come out from there, we're going to come onto our sides. Resting on a cushion or pillow, that's fine. That's what you feel comfortable with. Legs are extended, top arm just a little bit of bracing in front. And the first part of the exercise is going to be the top leg lifting and lowering. Good. On the 10th one, we're going to lift and hold, pulse. And then gently down. So that's one set. We're going to aim to do that 3 times over. So we're going to again lift and lower. And you work at your own ability. Hold and pulse. Good. 2 sets, 1 more. And again, hold and pulse. And there, just drop those knees forward. So familiar with your clam. Just do 10 with the feet on the floor, 10 with the feet off the floor. Open and close the knee. Good. So raise the feet up. Again. Once you rest the legs down, just change onto your back. And the leg you've been working, draw the knee up towards you. And then just drawing it up and across towards the opposite shoulder. come out from the stretch, going to switch sides. Again, relaxing the head, the arm giving you a bit of bracing support, legs are extended. And when you're ready, lift the lower top leg. Tempo and hold and pulse. Down. And 2 more sets. Pulse. And 1 more set. Hold and pulse. So there, drop into the clown position. Feet are together. 10 with the feet on the floor. Yeah, then the feet come up. 10. So there. Again, ease onto your back. Your leg you've been working, up, knee up and across. Just resting down there, holding in our arch position. So tennis ball width between the feet and the knees. Nice, the hands are resting on the thighs. Draw the hands up towards the knees. And turn. Just that awareness of your head and your neck posture. Project up and above the knees. Don't look at the knees. Remember, if you're struggling with the weight of the head, weight on the hand. Keep the elbow wide, the chin open. Resist that temptation to pull the chin down onto the chest. You should feel less pressure in the neck. And pressure back on those abdominal muscles. You can make it a little bit more challenging. As you come up, you bring one knee up, down, the opposite. 10. Okay, we have one more challenge in. You decide. Feel it's worked enough, you can take a rest. Bring one knee in the air, and the hand behind, opposite knee. As you hold, then the weight of the legs using your core. Okay. You can continue then if you have time for crunch. You work at your own level. You breathe, take a breather. Feeling okay, we'll do 5 more. Last one. Good. And the hands can come back behind, take the pressure off. Or one knee down, opposite knee down. Bring the feet and the knees together. Just relaxing side to side. Okay, you might feel a bit of a click. Gas is released from the lower spine. Calming yourself, it's all okay. Okay, back into that start position. We'll work on some hip control. Level 1, just allow the knee to roll out to the side. Hip is mobilizing, draw back in. And the same on the other side. Good. Okay, this time, roll the knee up in the air. Roll the knee to the side. Bring the knee back in and lower down. Lift, roll out, roll in and lower. Okay, begin to challenge a little bit more. One knee up again, hand behind, opposite. Get yourself set, knees over the top of the hips. And take your hands away, your core muscles are active. Knee to the side. Turn. Turn. Right, disappeared there for a minute. Computer switching itself off. So as you hold, knee to the side, turn, opposite side, return. So, and if you can, self set, both knees together. And you rotate the lower trunk to the side. You decide how far you go. Come back through the middle. Across the opposite side. Pull back into the middle. Again, hands behind. Take the tension off. One leg down. Leg down. Excellent. Drop the legs out straight. Tension out to the front of the hips. Nice big background breath. Excellent stuff. That's the end of the session there. Well done.